Well, they're calling for rain this morning, but I just checked the weather forecast. It looks like it's split going around us. So I got a little bit of guide coat on those areas I primed the other day, last week. I'm gonna hit this lower lip here with 320 dry. And then after that looks good, I think I'm gonna get the 400 grit and do some wet sanding. Well, it started to rain a little bit, so I'm done with the hood for the day. But basically, I got all those primered areas scuffed out. Everything looks good. It just needs that final 400 grit before putting on the sealer. So that's basically done.